Hello student, today we are going to learn an important topics, machining time in lathe operation, calculation of machining time in lathe operation, mainly turning operation. Here in this figure, this is the job, rotate capital N RPM. This is the length of the job, small n. This is the tool position, tool starting position. This is the tool end position. Tool move from right side to left side in this direction. Here, this length, this measurement A is the tool approach. This measurement small l, job length. This measurement O, tool overrun. So total length equal to A plus L plus O. Here depth of cut, this is the depth of cut, this measurement. Now time taken for n number of complete cut, n may be 1 for single cut, n may be 2 for double cut, n may be 3 for triple cut. So time taken, formula of time taken for turning operation mainly equal to tool approach, this measurement, length of job, this measurement, tool overrun, this measurement, by feet into capital N RPM of the job into small n. For single cut it is 1, for double cut it is 2, for triple cut it is 3, where small l equal to length of turning portion in millimeter, capital L equal to total length of tool movement in millimeter, capital A equal to length of approach of tool in millimeter, capital O equal to length of overrun of tool in millimeter, capital N equal to job speed in RPM, small n equal to number of passes or number of cut. Okay, now we solve a problem of machining time on a lathe, problem on cutting time or machining time of lathe. Our problem is find the time required for one complete cut, number of cut 1 by HSS tool on a piece of mild steel bar 400 millimeter long and 60 millimeter in diameter. The feet is 0.5 millimeter per revolution. Assume cutting speed equal to 25 meter per minute. If cutting speed is not given in our problem, we take cutting speed 25 meter per minute for HSS tool and cutting material MS. Okay. In our problem given cutting tool equal to HSS, high speed steel, material of job MS, mild steel, length of job small l equal to 400 millimeter, diameter of the job capital D equal to 60 millimeter, feet equal to 0.5 millimeter per revolution, n equal to number of cut or number of passes, here given 1, here given 1 complete cut. To find time required for 1 complete cut, given cutting speed of MS with HSS tool equal to 25 meter per minute. Okay. Now we solve our problem. We know cutting speed in lathe, cutting speed V equal to, our formula is V equal to pi D, capital D into capital N by 1000 meter per minute. Unit of speed meter per minute, but diameter of the job in millimeter by 1000. Here given cutting speed given 25 meter per minute, pi, diameter given 60 millimeter, capital N RPM. RPM we find out from this problem by 1000. Now N equal to 132.629, approximately 133 RPM, 133 RPM. Okay. Now time taken for 1 complete cut, formula is equal to tool approach plus length of job plus tool overrun by feet into capital N RPM into small n number of cut, here number of cut 1. Now we put the value equal to tool approach, we always taken 5 millimeter, length of job given 400 millimeter, tool overrun we taken 5 millimeter, feet given 0.5 millimeter per revolution, n, here n is calculated just now, n equal to 133, n equal to number of cut 1 equal to 6.165 minute. This is the answer.